What if I told you the average SUV costs nearly $10,000 a year to maintain? But here's the truth, not all SUVs are burning cash. Some quietly cross 400,000 or even 500,000 miles without expensive maintenance, just oil, filters, and common sense maintenance. Today, I'm counting down 9 SUVs that protect your wallet on repairs, insurance, and depreciation. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also expose 2 SUVs that become financial nightmares after the warranty expires. Let's go. At number 9, Hyundai Santa Fe. 10 years ago, most people would have laughed if you told them a Hyundai belonged on a list of SUVs built to last forever. Today, it's a completely different story. The Santa Fe quietly became one of the smartest long-term buys on the market, and most people still haven't noticed. The biggest reason is simple. Hyundai spent years fixing the reputation it once had. The newer naturally aspirated models have proven they can rack up well over 200,000 miles with little more than regular oil changes, brakes, tires, and scheduled maintenance. But reliability isn't the only reason this SUV saves you money. Hyundai backs many Santa Fe models with one of the best factory warranties in the industry. That means even if something major does happen early on, you're far less likely to be paying thousands of dollars out of pocket. For buyers who plan on keeping a vehicle for years, that kind of peace of mind matters just as much as reliability itself. Insurance costs also tend to stay reasonable thanks to strong safety ratings and inexpensive replacement parts compared to many European SUVs. And unlike some competitors that lose value incredibly fast, the Santa Fe has been holding its resale value much better over the last several years. No, it isn't the fastest SUV. It isn't the flashiest either, but if your goal is simply to buy one vehicle and avoid repair shops for the next decade, it's hard to argue against it. Sliding in at number 8 is Subaru Outback. Technically, some people call it a wagon. Everyone else treats it like an SUV. Whatever category you put it in, one thing never changes. These things just keep going. The Outback earned its reputation by doing everything reasonably well instead of trying to excel at one thing. Snow, no problem. Long highway trips, easy. Dirt roads, it barely notices. That standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system isn't just good for bad weather, it also distributes power more evenly than many competitors, reducing unnecessary drivetrain stress over the years. Owners regularly report crossing 250,000 and even 300,000 miles while replacing little more than wear items, oil, brakes, suspension components. That's about it. Another reason mechanics like these SUVs is because Subaru didn't make all-wheel drive an expensive option. Every Outback gets it. That consistency means technicians know exactly what they're working with, parts are widely available, and long-term maintenance stays predictable. The sweet spot for used buyers is around the 2020 model year. You get modern safety technology, a much nicer interior than older generations, and enough proven reliability that you're unlikely to regret the purchase years later. It's not exciting, but exciting rarely lasts 300,000 miles. At number 7, Acura RDX. Here's one of the biggest secrets in the used luxury market. While people rush to buy used BMW X3s, Mercedes GLCs, and Audi Q5s, smart buyers quietly pick the Acura RDX. Why? Because underneath the luxury badge is something far more important. Honda engineering, especially the earlier generations equipped with Honda's proven V6. The RDX combines luxury comfort with mechanical reliability that's almost impossible to find from European rivals. Leather seats, quiet cabin, premium audio, advanced safety features, and maintenance bills that look far more like a Honda than a German luxury SUV. That's exactly why depreciation works in your favor. The first owner pays luxury car prices. The second owner often gets an incredible bargain. Meanwhile, the expensive German alternatives frequently require thousands of dollars in repairs once the warranty expires. Timing chains, turbochargers, complex electronics, air suspension. Those repair bills add up fast. The RDX largely avoids those headaches. Owners regularly report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with nothing beyond routine servicing. Another overlooked advantage is insurance. Despite wearing a luxury badge, repair costs are generally lower than many European competitors, which often translates into surprisingly affordable premiums. So instead of spending your weekends worrying about warning lights and dealership repair estimates, you're simply driving. And that's exactly what a reliable SUV is supposed to do. Now, at number 6, Mazda CX-5. If there's one SUV on this list that proves reliability doesn't have to be boring, it's the Mazda CX-5. While most manufacturers chase bigger screens and more complicated technology, Mazda focused on something buyers actually appreciate 10 years later, building an SUV that simply keeps working. One reason mechanics trust the CX-5 is what it doesn't use. Instead of relying on a CVT transmission like many rivals, Mazda stuck with a traditional 6-speed automatic. That decision alone eliminates one of the biggest repair bills many SUV owners eventually face. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine has also earned a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Owners consistently report years of trouble-free driving, and RepairPal rates the CX-5 among the most dependable SUVs in its class. Annual maintenance costs also stay comfortably below the segment average, making it one of the smartest long-term financial decisions you can make. But reliability isn't the only reason people keep buying them. Unlike many practical SUVs that feel numb to drive, the CX-5 actually feels engaging behind the wheel. The steering is sharper, the cabin feels more premium than its price suggests, and even after years of ownership, it still feels like a vehicle you actually want to drive. Not just one you settled for. If you want an SUV that protects your wallet without sacrificing driving enjoyment, few choices come close. Sliding in at number 5, the Toyota Highlander. Some SUVs are built to survive family life. The Toyota Highlander was built to survive almost anything. This SUV has quietly become one of Toyota's greatest long-term success stories, regularly reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles, while asking for very little in return. Under the hood sits Toyota's proven 3.5-liter V6 on many model years. A powertrain that's earned the trust of mechanics around the world thanks to its simplicity and durability. And that's exactly why used Highlanders remain surprisingly expensive. People aren't paying for the badge, they're paying for the confidence that the SUV will still be running long after many competitors have become repair projects. The Highlander also avoids another expensive problem many three-row SUVs suffer from: rapid depreciation. While luxury SUVs often lose half their value within just a few years, the Highlander continues holding its resale value remarkably well. Families love it because it's spacious. Mechanics love it because they rarely see catastrophic failures. Insurance companies appreciate its strong safety record. And owners love it because unexpected repair bills are extremely uncommon. If you're buying one SUV to keep for the next decade or longer, it's difficult to find many vehicles that make more financial sense. At number 4, Toyota RAV4. There's a reason the Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate sales charts year after year. People simply trust it. The formula hasn't changed much over the years because Toyota never had a reason to reinvent it. A dependable 2.5-liter engine, proven drivetrain, excellent fuel economy, and some of the strongest resale values in the entire SUV market have made the RAV4 one of the safest purchases you can make. Mechanics regularly see these SUVs crossing 300,000 miles with their original engines and transmissions still going strong. That's not because owners got lucky, it's because Toyota built the platform around long-term durability instead of short-term excitement. Another major advantage is ownership cost. Routine maintenance stays affordable. Replacement parts are easy to find. Insurance rates remain competitive. And when it finally comes time to sell, the RAV4 returns far more of your investment than most competing SUVs. That's why many buyers aren't really purchasing transportation. They're protecting their money. And while the RAV4 is already one of the safest long-term bets on the road, the 3 SUVs ahead of it managed to earn an even stronger reputation among owners who measure reliability in decades rather than years. Cracking into the top 3 is the Subaru Forester. If reliability is your only priority, the Subaru Forester deserves to be near the top of every list. It may not have the flashiest design or the most powerful engine, but year after year it continues proving one thing: simple engineering usually lasts the longest. One of the biggest reasons owners keep buying Foresters is standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. Unlike many competitors that charge thousands extra for AWD, every Forester comes equipped with it, giving you better traction in snow, rain, and rough roads without adding unnecessary complexity. Older Subaru CVTs earned plenty of criticism, but modern Foresters have become significantly more dependable when they're properly maintained. change the transmission fluid on schedule, keep up with routine servicing, and it's not uncommon to see these SUVs pass 200,000 miles while still serving as reliable daily drivers. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Forester among the most reliable compact SUVs, and resale values reflect that reputation. Even high-mileage examples continue selling for surprisingly strong prices because buyers know exactly what they're getting. The Forester isn't exciting. It doesn't try to impress anyone. It simply starts every morning, gets you where you need to go, and keeps doing it year after year. Sometimes that's exactly what the smartest SUV should do. Number 2, we got the Honda HR-V. Most people overlook the Honda HR-V because they assume smaller means less capable. They're completely wrong. The HR-V has quietly become one of the easiest SUVs to own long-term, combining Honda's legendary reliability with excellent fuel economy and surprisingly low ownership costs. Its naturally aspirated engine avoids many of the expensive problems modern turbocharged engines eventually develop, and routine maintenance is about as straightforward as it gets. Oil changes, brakes, tires, and basics are often all these SUVs need for hundreds of thousands of miles. Because it's smaller than most compact SUVs, it also saves owners money every single week at the gas station. Fuel economy regularly reaches the low to mid 30 miles per gallon range on the highway, while insurance costs remain among the lowest in the segment thanks to strong safety ratings and inexpensive repair costs. Another advantage many buyers overlook is resale value. Honda vehicles have always held their value. Even after years of ownership, owners often recover far more of their investment than they expected. It may not have massive horsepower or luxury features, but if your goal is spending as little money as possible over the next 10 years, the HR-V makes an incredibly convincing argument. At number 1, we have the Honda CR-V. If you ask mechanics to recommend one SUV they would confidently buy with their own money, the Honda CR-V would almost always be part of the conversation. For decades, the CR-V has built one of the strongest reliability reputations in the entire automotive industry. And unlike many vehicles that slowly lose their reputation over time, the CR-V keeps proving why it belongs at the top. Owners regularly report crossing 250,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles with the original engine and transmission still going strong. Some second-generation models have even surpassed 500,000 miles without ever needing a major rebuild. That's almost unheard of in today's automotive world. The reason is surprisingly simple. Honda never chased unnecessary complexity. The engines are proven, the transmissions are dependable, maintenance is affordable, and replacement parts are available almost everywhere. The CR-V also delivers excellent fuel economy, top safety ratings, affordable insurance premiums, and some of the strongest resale values of any SUV on the market. Very few vehicles manage to do all of those things at once. That's why buying a CR-V isn't just buying transportation, it's buying predictability. You know what maintenance will cost, you know it will likely start every morning, and you know that years from now, it will still be worth more than many competing SUVs. That's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot. Not because it's the fastest, not because it's the most luxurious, because when it comes to buying one SUV and driving it for the next 15 or 20 years, almost nothing else has a better track record.